Hi everyone. Today I'm going to continue with yesterday's topic with some drawings from the students' assignment by using the circle, tangent, and radius. Yesterday we go through the cam plates. So today I want to do handle and lever. So this one, the same method with that. We're going to draw the circle here, circle there, circle here, and use the tangent method. So let's start it. I'm going to draw a line. So this center line, continue with that. So 200 mil, I put it in. That's good enough. And then I use this as a reference. So match property. So that's the center line. Okay, so I draw the first center line. So now I'm going to draw this center line again in vertical way. And then I draw the second and the third center line. So I need to have some reference. So this point here, the center point to the edge is 27 because they are 27. And then from here to there, you can put 5, you can put 10. I put 10 mil, so total is 37. From this edge, select this one, that's the edge. There, I move to here 37, so just roughly. Not exactly, you don't have to. 36, 36.9. That's good enough. And then raise up. How much you raise up? The original circle is 27, so you just do 30. And then you use this one, stretch longer, or use the mirror. You use the mirror there to bring it down and enter. So that's the vertical center line. So before I'm doing anything, I don't want to convert it to the center line. The reason for that is I need 4 vertical lines. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is solid line. This is center line. I can always convert it later on. So all I'm doing now is doing this 1, 2, and 3 vertical line. In between these two is 105, and then I got 5, and then 20. So I'm going to copy this one to paste in here as 105. And then this one, between this one to there is 110. And then from here to there, if you put all together, is 130. So 105, 110, 130. I copy this tool. Select this tool from the right to left. Select this tool, right hand click. So 105, 110, 130, finish. So now full vertical line has been done. So these 4 lines there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I need to convert it, the property as a center line. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. 1, 2, and 3. And this one, they need to have a 2. Okay, so come back here. Now I need to allocate this one and draw a circle there. How do I can get this point? Already have this one, already have this one. All I need to do is to read how much from here to there. So it shows the outside line there is 22 in between. So half of that is 11. Coming back to AutoCAD, so I need to draw from here to there 11. So 11, enter. And then going to there to click, finish. So all I need to do is move this one, center one to there. Delete the reference line, and then I match up the center line to there. Yeah, because they're too small. So now we're going back to the book. We finish allocated this point and this point. I want to draw this circle, and I want to draw this circle. And this one, I use tangent to connect them together. So let's do it. So the first one is going to the center and radius. So this one is 27. And enter. So this one here is a R5. 5 mil, enter. This one there is a R150. So what I'm going to do is select 10, 10 and radius. And this time I want to click on there, not outside because they curve in. So here and 150. Enter. All right, so they connected now. I'm going to use the trim function. So trim, enter, enter again. Get rid of these, get rid of these, this one, and this one, this one, that one, and this one too. So remember I say I'm doing half, and the other half I'm going to just mirror it out. Use the mirror function. This one here, I finish almost half of this drawing from here to there to here. Okay, this line here is this line already. What I'm going to do is get this line there. I've got this line, I've got this line, and I need to draw this line. So this one R20, so half of that is 10 mil. 10 mil. So I get a reference point from there, 10 mil, and then I connect it to there. So connect it to here. All I need to do is to click on there and use the trim function. And then I trim this one as well. So I almost finished. I highlight this half and delete them and get rid of these. So I get all these. Okay. So now this one there. So all I need to do is to bring it closer. This one. Okay. To 4. And put this one 4. So making smaller. That's for the center point. Now the last step, what I need to do is select all from underneath to use the mirror. So what I want to mirror, any reference point, I can mirror it out, drag it over to the left side and click. Remember, we need to select this one. If they always know from the previous one, I just enter. So that's finish. All you need to do is get all the dimensions in, and then you can finish this drawing. Now I'm going to do the lever. So the lever point, again, it is getting the reference. So the datum for me is this point. So I started from this point. Let's draw a center point from there. Center line, center points. Okay, so let's going down to here. What I'm going to do, I can draw a little bit longer, so 200. All right, so now I'm going to draw a center point from there. So anywhere I want, I put 300, enter. What I want to do is get back to the book. I want to know these points. How do I can get these points down? The only reference for me is R70, R25. This one is a circle. So from this point to here is 25. So let's write it down. 25 from there to here. Okay, from here to there is how much? So I don't really know. All I need to know is this point crossover is how much. This one 70 mil. 70 mil. That means when they go the curve here, the connector to this point is 70. 25 plus 70 is 95. From that point to here is 95. If you got the reference point from there to here, which is this circle, and then from here to here 70, and then this one is 12. This point to there is 12, 60 degrees. So let's allocate this point first, 95. From here, 95, enter, and then I go just a little bit. So that's my reference. I can see it. All I need to work out is this point to there is 70 plus 12. 70 plus 12 is 82. And this is 60 degrees. This is 90 degrees. If I minus 60 degrees, this is 30 degrees from there. What I'm going to do is start it from this point. Okay, I type in 82. I don't press enter. Instead of press enter, I tap it to the degree. Remember, we're writing down 30 degrees. That's 30 degrees. This point there is this point. So now I work out the center point, center point. What I'm going to do is use that point, cross over a little bit. I get the center a little bit up, a little bit down. So select both of them and move to this point. That's my reference point. I can get rid of that. And then I select one of the center line, and then I match property with this 4. All right, so that's the center point for me. Okay, so this one and this one. Now let's start working on this. So this is R25. What I'm going to do is get the circle, center, and radius. 25. That's R25. I finish. I'm doing this one now, R12. So R12. Now I want to do this one now. Some of the people say 12 and 12, oh, they look different. So don't forget the symbol of this, diameter. So diameter means half of them is the radius, R6. So I'm doing the second one. So 6. I'm going to work out this one. 12 mil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what I do is remember the rectangle? Behind the rectangle, you can drop it down. You select the polygon and you come in here. How many faces you want? So 6, and then the edge 6, and then we choose the encrypt in circle. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it this way. So you see that if you're dragging down the pointer to the top, if you're dragging down to the left or to the right, it looks different. So polygon, as you know, from the center to the edge is the same of every face. What you're going to do is to type in 12 and that's it. What I'm going to do is move this one to the center. We use the line, so any corner of that. Any corner, so from there to there. We select this object, don't select the line, move, I get the center reference, and move to the center. And then I delete this. Okay, so that's the one. Okay, now I'm going to do this. This one is R70, curve in, 10, and radius from inside because they curve in. All right, so 70. And the other one The other one is 112. Okay, so use the same function from outside to outside, 112. Enter. What I'm going to do is use the trim function. So trim, enter. I want to get rid of this. Maybe this one can go, this one can go, even that one can go. So inside there, inside here. This one there. You need to go closer to check the details. You never miss any details from there. One of these. So finish all this. All you need to do is put all the dimensions in. Thank you.